Well, boys, it's a Saturday morning. What are we fixing to go do?
I'm gonna get high today.
Oh my God.
With a high top.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes. We're on a mission to get Jesco a high top.
Yep.
Martin,
Another day, another Volkswagen. We just drug one home yesterday.
Literally.
And we're going again.
Yep. So road trip to
Kerrville, Texas.
Beautiful Kerrville, Texas. So we're gonna go across Texas, road trip across, and we're gonna bring home a high top for Jesco. That's the plan. Yep. I'm sure there's stuff along the way.
Yep, we'll find more.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sure we will.
So stick with us today. See what we're gonna find. We're gonna go get a high top and look for Volkswagens along the way. So join us. Bring it high.
What the heck? Are y'all working on a Toyota?
Working on a Toyota. I think it's got a loose nut behind the wheel.
Oh, that goes without saying.
Yep. Do that again. It's got some wobble in it.
So what are we taking with us, Martin?
We're taking a Toyota.
Bus rescue tub?
Yeah. Oh, you know what else? Here's some straps just in case.
All right, so now Martin's gonna call this guy and see if he still has it. Stand by, VW Lifers.
I talked to you yesterday about the high top. I'm heading out right now. Okay. Okay, I will.
What time is it, Daddy Martin?
It's Whataburger time.
Oh yeah, baby. That's a Texas stop sign right there.
I thought that was Dairy Queen.
Oh yeah, that's a VW Life stop sign.
All right, Daddy Martin. So why do you want this high top?
Why do I want a high top? Because I want to be able to stand up in my butts without putting up a useless pop top like on an early bay. Because I don't have the cot or nothing up there, and it's just going to be storage for camping supplies and make it a little more useful. I like the ridicule I get for wanting a high top.
That's true.
Because there's a high top mafia on page on Facebook.
Oh
to join.
God, that's why he wants to be hot top mom.
Yep.
We've been going for about an hour and a half, and we gotta make a pee stop and a poo poo stop. I'm trying to look on Craigslist and Facebook for anything for sale out here, but it doesn't look like I can find anything. So we're just gonna have to kind of do a little some randomness for some junking. So we'll see what we can find.
What did we just drive by there, old man?
Well, that's a great question. We just drove by I guess that's called Lady Bird Johnson Park, City Park here in beautiful Fredericksburg, Texas. And it was a site of where the famous Texas Classic VW show was held. And I guess it's been 3 years now, maybe. It's 3 years since they last had it. Man, it was such a good show. And I always called it Volkswagen Woodstock. We go over there for, 3 days of camping and selling and swapping and hanging out. So much fun. And that's where Jake became the deal closer. He was maybe I guess you were about 10 years old, 8 years old. And he just set you at the booth selling stuff. You make some money, man. Cool slot. Kind of sad, you think about shows that come and go, and that's one that you hate that's gone, because it was such a good show for the community.
What about you, Daddy Martin? Have any fond memories in the campground, running at night or anything like that?
Like running.
Falling, almost breaking my leg.
Martin. So
God, it was funny. I was limping all week.
Oh, the whole weekend.
I couldn't even walk.
Martin's waving at us, and he's running because he sees us in the campground, and we're getting there, and he's running, and all of a sudden it looked like down goes Martin, like a 30-30, just like he took one in the shoulder. Boom, he went down hard, and he tripped on a guy wire for the hold up a tree stake. 10 stakers. Yeah. I mean, he went down. Down goes Matt Martin.
He owns the place.
What do y'all got going on here? Lots of cool stuff.
We found it.
No ID on it, but man, it's built really nice, other than it's a little short inside.
And you're trying to find out who made it or whatnot?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Got a sink
So
up front.
Cool. Yeah, somebody used it for a kitchen, I guess, before.
Yeah.
It's only about 6 foot tall,
We just picked that one up yesterday.
Y'all just find this stuff everywhere.
Yeah. Y'all find it all around here or just everywhere?
Well,
You just picked this up. Mm-hmm. Where at?
That's awesome. God, it's beautiful patina on that.
Yeah, isn't it? It's
awesome.
Got it for
OG 426 Hemi. Beautiful. Beautiful. I like Volkswagens, but rusty stuff is just something special.
Cool stuff.
That's some really cool stuff.
Had a straight 8 Buick in it originally.
Cool.
Quite a big. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Old people used to tour the country with it in the 80s.
I mean, how do you flip it on and push the other way?
Oh, look at a little RV in here. So cool.
Well, got oldest cool guy bought it years ago and never came back for it. It's a
Little trailer.
It's called a parlay camper boat. It was made in Kerrville over by the airport.
Oh
So
my
the
gosh.
parlay fold a boat, and it's a camper. So you open it halfway up, and it's got a canvas that snaps around it. Yeah, trailer sleeper, parlay trailer sleeper, and the canvas snapped around it and made like a little clamshell sleeper. And then you fold it all the way over, and you tighten up those bolts, and it makes a boat.
No way.
And then the trailer stays with it. Those fold up somehow with it in the water.
That's
So
nuts.
yeah. This guy had 3 of these, 3 vans, and then we bought, the one was a Westphalia pop-up, and then this one, and there's another one still out there. It's got flowers painted all over it. Yeah, there's this, we're selling this van, and the other one, there's no motor, but it's full of parts, and we got more parts inside the shop. Volkswagen parts, there's doors, and man, there's just piles of stuff.
Well, we'll have to check that out.
There's a water line. Look at the light. That's awesome. Not bad. No toast.
Got a Westy bed.
It's got jacuzzis in it. It's got a lot in it.
Spindle on the left.
That's the one over now.
Yeah, it needs the left rear to be able to put a tire, a wheel on it. That's the answer for this one.
Old bath. There's a tranny. Is that a 68?
Doghouse.
There's more bumper cars.
Bumper overriders.
Yep. Piece of cake. Oh, perfect. Oh, there's a hole in it.
That's what a bent fan's
Son of a. Hey, you're gonna get wet when you're sleeping in there now.
Yeah. I didn't know what it looked like.
Pops, what do you think?
Looks good. It's very solid.
Yeah.
And not nearly as heavy as you think it would be.
Yeah.
The roof's nice.
I like the burn on it.
It's a great burn. Oh, watch the paint.
You want some more?
I got people all the time contacting me.
Yeah. We hadn't advertised it. We wanted to clean it up.
You're kind of bending it a little bit. Oh, man.
Do what, bud?
You're bending it a little bit.
That's
One
good.
next to home, the other.
Our friend.
I think we go one around there.
Yeah. Here you go.
Martin, how you feeling about it?
Excited.
You're excited?
Yeah.
Martin got his hot top, guys.
I've been looking for a high top for years.
Congratulations, Martin.
Yeah. And we got to look at a lot of cool stuff up in there.
Dude, there's so much God, that guy had some cool stuff. That boat that turns into a camper, or the camper, the parlay that, oh my
Made
gosh.
here in this town.
Yeah, and then that little runabout fiberglass boat. I don't like that style, but
As
it was
you can
cool.
tell, Gary really wants a boat.
Yeah, I do. I'm jonesing for
You know
a
what
boat.
boat stands for, Dad? Bust out another 1,000.
Bust out another 1,000. 70 bus, a deluxe, which beautiful patina.
Yep.
Needs a cowl, needs floors,
But it's all there.
It's all there.
Plus, it's 2 of them.
Yeah, and he's got another one too.
And you can get it for a
70.
screaming deal.
Yeah.
What are we doing now, guys?
Well, we're gonna go check out that Baja. So let's go look at that Baja.
Let's go, Dad.
Let's go.
So Martin was wanting a Baja for Matoga VW Life to do.
Yeah, what do y'all say about us getting a Baja and just absolutely off-roading it, mudding it?
Your
just
dream.
Can we put a Gene
Thrash it.
Berg trans in it, Martin?
Maybe. We'll just
there it
thrash
is.
it.
Oh, it's
Here it
perfect.
is.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
It's gotta be, it's a link pin, small window, so it's gotta be
Oh,
64
perfect
earlier.
for us.
half the work's already done, taking the pans out.
Yep.
Nice
Are
low
those
back.
low backs?
Low backs in
Supposed
it.
to take the pans out of a Baja?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you put rails in there so it's lighter.
Oh. So they just come in here and just weren't cut it, huh?
That's awesome.
Good job, Martin.
VW Life.
Jake saw this going down the highway. I mean, look at the window that he saw this in, folks. Look at that.
I don't see how you saw
I
it.
don't know. We're going 60 miles an hour, and Jake sees that. All right, good job.
It's that roof.
Three hours later.
So Martin,
Here.
this is going on that.
So if anybody in the market for a 6873 Westy pop top with cot, we got you.
With cot.
With cot.
All right, it's time to unload this thing. I mean, I'm good back here. Woo! All right, let's go back.
Are you okay? Okay, you got okay, now you're at the edge of the trailer. Right there. All right, we're moving it to the back. Well, they're moving it. Ha! I'm doing the camera. It's going on top of that eventually. Ooh, there's the shop.
Watch out for that wagon.
Look at your grass back here. It's so green.
Flimsier up here.
You got it okay?
Are you on top of it?
No,
Yep.
man, how close am I to it?
Got it?
Yeah, no, a little further.
Okay.
All right, down.
All right.
Are we close enough?
Oh, God.
Are we?
Are we?
So,
Wow, this is a man sandwich right
I was
Martin sandwich.
Oh, it is a little
Martin and Alexander
oh,
sandwich.
the bearded wonder. Well, you now are the proud owner of a
high top, yeah.
And you know, high tops are so
Special.
They're special.
They are special. I'm just excited for you. It's just a
Took
big
long enough
thing.
to find one.
You did, yeah.
And it took a long time to pick it up. But
Yeah.
that was a lot of driving.
That wasn't too
VW
bad.
Life helped us find it.
Yeah.
That is quite true, and it's nice. And there's a side benefit to anybody out there because now there's going to be a
Westy top.
Westy top for what,
With cot?
68 to 73 for
73, yeah, with a cot
So
and everything.
that's the front.
Just no canvas.
front hinging one, but
Yep.
yeah, but it's very good shape. It's just the next level in getting
Getting
Jesco
mounted.
going.
And, yep.
So it's good. Thank y'all for joining us today. It's been a good, exciting day. We found a Baja
We did.
Yeah.
and we saw a bus,
There's a bus for sale.
and so that's exciting too. So make sure you click. What are you supposed to do?
The subscribe button.
Thank you very much for joining us. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life because hey, this is the VW community and we are a part of it, and so are you. And we appreciate you guys so much. Have a great day.
Thank y'all.